sleeves to remove gown. Then begin removal on unaffected side. If extremity is injured, then remove gown properly. If patient have IV line and small snaps. May katinta sa inyo. Assume that I have removed the patient's clothing. Next is to raise side rail, position bed at appropriate height while filling basin with warm water. Have the patient check water temperature. Assume that I have raised the bed rails and fill the basin with water. Ma'am, check mo lang the temperature. Sabi mo ba lang sa akin lang kanya? Basta lang. Next is to lower side rail. Remove pillow of, if allowed, raise head of bed appropriately. Then place towel under patient's head and over chest. Then wash the face of the patient. Ask if patient is wearing contact lens. Remove if appropriate. Ma'am, nagdati kasali ako contact lens. One. Okay. Form it with washcloth. Then wash patient's eye properly. Use clean cloth for each eye. Soak grass on eyelids before attempting removal and dry eyelids. Provide eye care for unconscious patient. Ma'am, kita dito ma'am. Next is to wash upper extremities and jump. Change bath water if necessary. Assume that I have changed the water. Remove bath blanket from patient's arm closest to you and place bath towel lengthwise. Ma'am, fold, fold bath towel on bed, then place basin on towel. Allow hand to soak before cleaning nails. Then dry hands well, then repeat on the other side. Then, then check temperature of bath water, then change water if necessary. Assume that I have already changed the water. Then check the temperature again. Next is to wash wash abdomen. Place bath towel over chest and abdomen. Fold blanket down to just above pubic region. Then bath, rinse and dry abdomen. Then take attention to skin folds, then dry them. Again. Next is to wash lower Then next is to wash lower extremities. Cover chest and abdomen with the bath blanket. Expose near leg by folding the blanket toward midline. Ensure other leg and carry it. Then remaining three, place towel, then dry them. Mamaya pa po sa akin. Notifications. Then next is to raise side rail to move to the opposite side. Then repeat the steps to wash the other leg. Then apply lotion to both feet. Then remove towel. Assume that I have applied lotion on both legs. Then cover patient with blanket, raise side rail, and clean bath water. Next is to wash the back. Wash the back. Apply clean glove, then lower side rail, and assist patient to proper position. Then place the towel along patient's side. Ma'am, side ka po. Ano tawag ko ba po, ma'am? So, one. bath blanket over shoulders and thighs. And thighs and during bath washing, wash and rinse back properly. Then pay attention to folds of buttocks and anus. Then rinse buttock and anus. Wash front to back. Then cleanse, rinse and dry the tissue thoroughly. Place then clean absorbent pad. Wash. Then next is to provide perineal care with while patient is supine. Then massage patient's back if desired. Ma'am, pwede laki ng masahe. Then apply body lotion and tropical moisturizing agents to skin. The next is to magsubukan. Then remove and dispose gloves and perform hand hygiene before helping patient finish grooming. Assume that I have already finished that organ. Then replace the top linen before removing bath blanket. Then apply glove if linen is soiled. Then make bed appropriate. Then ang pag-ibig ko nito. Wala ka towel. And put it in the laundry basket. Next is to place bed in lock position. Then raise side rails appropriately. Then ensure patient is comfortable with full light or personal professions within reach. Then disinfect, rinse and dry. Disinfect and rinse and dry basin appropriately. Disinfect. Assume that I have done the procedure. Then next is to remove gloves and perform hand hygiene.